What a stunning Audi TT Coupe, just in, direct from the last owner who I've dealt with for many years. It is absolutely stunning. Audi TT Sport TFSI. It's the 2 litre 230 brake horsepower, a little pocket rocket, as I say. Ibis wide with just over £1,100 worth of factory fitted options. Extremely low mileage for its age, with just 39,000 miles on the clock. It is absolutely beautiful all the way around. Registered in July 2015 on a 15 plate with full service history. Some of the options include the rear parking sensors. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how beautiful this car is. Great size boot on it. Split folding rear seats. Nice and clean, not been abused. Additional storage just under there, no spare wheel on these. It's got rear privacy glass. Absolutely beautiful on the bodywork. All the wheels are in great condition, so no major damage to those. We've fitted rear brake discs and pads, and a complete set of brand new unit oil tyres matching all the way around. The bodywork is just beautiful, no dents, scratches, scrapes or dings anywhere, and hardly any stone chips at all on the vehicle. It really is absolutely beautiful all the way around. Again, a close up of the near side front wheel. Again, no major scrubbing or big chunks out of any of those. Might be the odd tiny little mark on the odd wheel, but nothing to shout about. Headlight power washers all across the front, lovely and clean. Absolutely beautiful all across the front. It is the 230 brake horse, as I mentioned, TFSI, petrol 6-speed manual gearbox. It's got the 18-inch alloy wheels. With a set of Coupe tyres fitted all the way around, so quality tyres. And again, the final wheel. Got the leather Alcantara sports trim. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Nice bit of Alcantara trim on the door trims there. Front sport seats. Again, the condition absolutely beautiful. Flat bottom steering wheel. Multifunction, of course. Keyless start. All the menu on the dashboard. All very straightforward. Just scroll through the menu. Got all the various functions on there to adjust the sound system, the radio, the media. All very straightforward. You can change the layout of what you want to see in front of you. And of course, get the suspension just exactly how you want it to get that ride absolutely perfect. So dynamic mode, air conditioning, That's a drive select to get the suspension how you want it, and that little button raises and lowers the spoiler. 6-speed manual gearbox, again that's the menu to control what you see in front of you on the dashboard. Voice activation. Telephone.
The telephone is not yet available.
Again, just making it safe for you to select stations or ring somebody. Media pack in there, so SD card, CD player in there. What a gorgeous car. Great value for money TT. The mileage of just 39,589. That's what it's done. 39,589. 2015 car. Of course, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. Part exchange, always a pleasure. Check out the finance offers on our website, or please call us for any further details. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7 if you fancy it. 2 o'clock in the morning, hit the button reserve. And remember our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we'll refund the deposit, no questions asked. We do the videos to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency, full and accurate descriptions, giving you the confidence to buy this car unseen. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details how that operates. Specialist Cars, a multi-order dealer established since 1997. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans and understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOT and tyres. Call us on 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.